I'm going to remove the headlight from the 2018 1290 Super Duke R. So this is a Torx T25 that I'm using to unscrew the headlight. You do need to remove the electrical portion so that the headlight is disconnected from the electrics. Then this is a long needle nose plier. It's about 10 inches long in order to reach down and get that clip and pop it off. That's the left side. That's what the clip looks like. This is the left side. And this is the right. Once those pins are out, then you can remove the headlight completely. Very simple process. This allows access to the electrical components for the turn signals. I'm planning to upgrade these turn signals to a little smaller sequential flash unit. So you remove these two screws, again, Torx T25. This screw is a Torx T20. And it's a different thread. It's a plastic. It's made to go into plastic. The other two are going into metal. Then I use a trim removal tool to pop this piece loose. And you can see there's a couple of tabs that I'm pointing to. Those tabs need to be squeezed a little bit so that you can free that and remove it. Then you have access to all your wiring. Now to replace this cover, it's just the reverse. You pop it in. Now if you flex the signals, as you'll see me do here, then you can simply snap that into place and snap the other side into place. And it holds itself. So now I'm putting back in this screw here, and then I'll put in the other two screws. You can see the pin get pushed through. Then you want to grab a clip and turning it to the proper orientation, slide it down into the slots on the inside of the pin. It may take a few tries to do this. It's a little tight working in that small space, and then the other side is done also. Once the clips are in place, you want to reattach the electrical component. And then just use your T25 to screw that headlight back into position, and then you can adjust it using the same screw so that the beam is higher or lower. And that's how you remove and replace the headlight on the 2018 1290 Super Duke R.